Hello there and welcome to the Coding Bay. Today I am going to commence the Python for Beginners tutorial series, which is aimed at getting beginners started with the Python programming language with relative ease and less stress. So, to get started with the Python programming language, you will need to have Python installed on your computer. I'm going to show you in this video how you can download and install Python, and throughout the whole series we are going to use a text editor called VsCode, which I prefer more than the other ones. The others, you have Sublime Text, you have the PyCharm IDE for Python coding, and a lot more. So let's get right into it. Firstly, you need to go to your browser, the browser, and you search for that. So go into your browser, you type download Python, do a Google search, download Python, then you have these results. Depending on when you watch this video, Python has different releases, and you have different versions. We are going to use Python 3, so let's click on the first link that says download Python. This link takes us to the Python official website. As of now, Python is at 3.10. Python is at 3.10. So all you need to do is sit back and click on the download Python button. You click on that button and Python 3.10 is going to download. Depending on your network and download speed, you will have Python there downloaded for you. Relatively, I think it is 27 megabytes, I think. And after that, you just need to run the installer file. So let's run the installer file. Click here and opening that. Guys, I already have Python installed on my computer. So it's going to be a little bit different from yours, but rest assured, nothing to worry about. So I run software and let's give it time, guys. So now what you need to do, most importantly, make sure you add Python 3.10 to path. Very important, guys, very important. So you click on the install now. It's going to do the installation. Say yes, we want to install Python. So let's sit back, get a cup of coffee, and you relax. Python is going to be installed. While it does that, let's get to the text editor I told you about, which is VsCode. Do the same thing. You do a Google search, say download VsCode. You have these results. We click on the first link that will take us to the VsCode official website, and there we will be able to download VsCode. So guys, here you select your platform or your operating system you're working with, either Windows, Linux, or Mac. For me, I'm using Windows. So I'll click on Windows. Depending on your architecture, either a 64-bit or a 32-bit, any of them. So I'll click, let's say, on a 64-bit, and let's wait. I think the download is going to start. Since it says thanks for downloading VsCode for Windows, let's wait, and it should start right down here many times. So wait for that. While that is going, let's check. It has started. I already have this, guys, so I'm not going to waste any more data downloading this. So let's check our Python installation. Let's wait for it to be completed. Alright guys, so it says setup was successful, so that means we have Python installed on our computers. Hooray, we can start using Python. We can close that for now. So now, to test if Python is successfully installed on your computer, I would like you guys to launch your command prompt or PowerShell or your terminal, any of them, and let's do the following. So I'm going to go to my terminal, and in the terminal, all you need to do is you just type in Python. You type in Python and you press enter, and let's wait. Boom, it tells me that Python 3.9.7 is present. Guys, this is my previous Python version that is here. So on your computers, I expect to see Python 3.10.0. So if you see that on your computers, then it means Python was successfully installed on your system. Now let's head over to VsCode. Now, looking at the VsCode, you just need to run the setup of the file you downloaded. okay, you run the setup, a routine kind of setup, and you just do the next I agree kind of stuff. Okay, you accept the license agreement, you go next, you select these other ones, or you can decide to leave them there, but make sure you allow add to path. Okay, you go to next and you click on the install. I already have it installed, I'm not going to install it the second time. So after doing all of that, you are able now to continue with your remaining videos in the series. So guys, please, I'd like you guys to help me subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me a lot. And you write down anything in the comment section below if you have faced any difficulties in downloading and installing Python and VS Code. See you in the next video.